For students who want to take an advanced welding course, who've learned from the Intro to Welding course that welding's where they belong and how they're going to shape and change the world around them, they can come into an advanced course, work right alongside adult students. They move from there from one process to the next. As they complete a process, whether it's shield metal arc for building buildings or gas metal arc welding for doing line production, they take one step to the next. When they're done, they're not just somebody who kind of knows how to weld. These are somebody or some person who can actually go out into the market and say, yeah, I can put that building together. Yes, I can build that bridge. Yes, I can build that rock crawler. We've got students going out building performance racing parts after they complete gas tungsten arc welding, or building knives that are upwards of $250,000. We've got students who are going out and repairing plastics and remodeling plastics out here in our local industry. We have students who are going off and working on the pipeline, making $200,000 a year, 3 years out of high school. Students who come through here, they are able to jump forward and accelerate into a career, potentially having a career as early as 6 months out of high school that is making $40,000 to $50,000 a year, far and away more than the average income for Cedar City. Students who leave this course or this program are able to pilot their future in a way that I didn't even know I could do when I left high school. I'm excited about the fact that these are the students who are going to build our nation.